Hey guys, what's up? I'm here, and this is not a vlog today. This is up to everyone at my school. Yes. Let me just say, if you're someone that's been being mean to me at my school lately, you got something coming to you, buddy. You got something coming to you. Motherfucker. Yeah, but you got something coming to you. So do not mess with me at school, or your buddy's gonna be on this. Okay, I'm about to do a vlog now. Hey, what's up, guys?
Who are you talking to?
I'm filming it. But it's not facing y'all, so y'all good. Okay, we're going into my living room. We need to do a vlog or something. Hey, that's my cat. My little cat, Reese. I do not use my butterfly knife on her. God, don't sniff the camera. I'm about to show you my dad who filmed my first video. As you see, I'm training for my butterfly knife lessons. Okay, I'm about to show y'all my dad who filmed my first video. Hey, what's up, Dad?
Still is. Comes in all shapes and sizes. Oh, give me a break. Come on.
What are you doing?
I'm filming a video. I sold them my new and improved butter knife.
I make a great chief of training. Right. And you know that.
So doing.
And the new wisdom is the younger Asian female's a better candidate than an older white guy.
How are you?
Call it what it is. When you were my son Danny's first CO, he came to me. Do you know that? And he said, Dad, this guy Sally's a good cop, but maybe he's too tough on us. You live on the rope, sometimes you get ropers.
Yep.
You did too.
So that's the end of my video today, dogs. I was gonna show you my mama, but she busy right now, y'all.
Come here, Cooper.
Oh yeah, man.
We want you to sleep right here tonight. Grandpa farted in his sleep and crapped on himself.
Are you serious?
I mean, it's washed.
But why it ain't come out?
Oh my gosh. Yo, mama, say.
No, Cooper.
Hey, would y'all like to see my mama?
Who is it?
It's a video.
Oh.
Cover that back up.
You too, mama. Jeez Louises!
I farted in the car and I went to your bank with it. One bring together in the kitchen. Damn, you could have rolled the one.
Okay, guys, that's the end of my video today.
Look.
So, yeah.
Old. Blackman Chevrolet Mercedes-Benz. And look at the number, Barbara.
601.
See y'all
Really?
later.
Yeah.
See y'all later.